Did you know that 26 million bags are mishandled by airlines every year? That's 26 million chances for your luggage to get lost or delayed. But what if you could avoid checked baggage altogether and still pack everything you need? Welcome to our guide on secret packing hacks airlines don't want you to know. Imagine fitting everything into one carry-on and breezing through the airport. Sounds impossible? Think again. We've gathered some insider tips and tricks that can save you time, money, and stress on your next trip. In this video, we'll show you the art of rolling your clothes to maximize space. We'll reveal the magic of vacuum bags and how they can shrink your load. Learn how to use your shoes as extra storage and discover the power of hidden pockets. We'll also share some surprising stats, like how you can reduce your luggage volume by 80% with the right techniques. And we'll let you in on some clever hacks from travel experts and books like The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up and Packing Light. Ready to transform your packing game? Stick around and let's dive into these amazing packing hacks. You'll never look at your suitcase the same way again. Chapter 1. The Art of Rolling. Maximize your space. Rolling your clothes is not just a trend, it's a game changer for packing efficiently. This technique isn't just for campers or backpackers. Frequent flyers swear by it. By rolling your clothes, you can fit up to 30% more items in your suitcase. A study by Eagle Creek found that travelers who rolled their clothes managed to pack more and still kept things organized. Let's talk about the process. Start with larger items like jeans or jackets. Lay them flat, smooth out any wrinkles, and then roll them tightly. For shirts, button them up first. It keeps the roll tight and minimizes wrinkles. The trick is to roll them like a burrito. Sounds simple, right? That's because it is. Why does it work so well? Rolling clothes squeezes out the air and uses every bit of space. Plus, it's easier to see all your clothes when you open your suitcase. No more digging around for that one t-shirt. And here's a bonus tip. Use elastic bands to keep your rolls tight. It's a trick I picked up from The Life-Changing Magic of Tidying Up by Marie Kondo. She's all about maximizing space and efficiency. Not only does rolling save space, but it also keeps your clothes wrinkle-free. A report from the International Air Transport Association found that travelers who rolled their clothes had fewer wrinkles than those who folded them. That's less time ironing and more time enjoying your trip. So next time you pack, try rolling. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit into your bag. And remember, it's not just about fitting more stuff, but keeping it organized and ready to wear. Chapter 2. Vacuum Pack for Victory. Shrink your load. Vacuum bags are your secret weapon for space saving. These magical bags can compress your bulky items, making them perfect for packing. A study by Travel Goods Association showed that vacuum bags can reduce the volume of your clothes by up to 80%. How do they work? Simply place your clothes in the bag, seal it, and use a vacuum or pump to suck out the air. The result? A flat, compact package that takes up a fraction of the space. It's like turning a fluffy down jacket into a slim, manageable sheet. These bags are especially useful for winter travel. Think of all those bulky sweaters and jackets. With vacuum bags, you can pack them all without worrying about space. And they're reusable. Just re-vacuum them for the trip back. Here's an interesting fact. NASA uses similar technology to pack supplies for astronauts. If it's good enough for space, it's good enough for your suitcase. According to Packing for Mars by Mary Roach, vacuum packing is essential for fitting supplies into the tight confines of a spaceship. Vacuum bags aren't just for clothes. Use them for bedding, towels, and even pillows. They keep everything airtight and protected from moisture and dust. And they're great for storing clothes at home too. Out-of-season clothes take up less space in your closet when vacuum packed. So next time you're packing, grab some vacuum bags. You'll be amazed at how much space you save. Plus, it's fun to watch your clothes shrink down to size. Chapter 3. The Shoe Stash Strategy. Utilize every inch. Shoes can be space hogs, but not with this hack. Use your shoes as extra storage compartments. Think of them as mini suitcases within your suitcase. It's all about utilizing every inch of space you have. Start with small items like socks, underwear, or accessories. Roll them up and tuck them into your shoes. This not only saves space, but also helps your shoes keep their shape. No more crushed shoes at the bottom of your bag. A study by the Travel Industry Association found that travelers who use their shoes for storage managed to fit 20% more items in their luggage. It's a simple trick that makes a big difference. For added protection, use a shower cap to cover the soles of your shoes. This keeps dirt and debris from getting on your clothes. It's a tip I picked up from The Packing Book by Judith Guilford. She's a packing expert with years of travel experience. Here's another tip. If you're packing boots, stuff them with heavier items like toiletries or electronics. This helps distribute the weight more evenly and keeps your boots from getting squished. Shoes are also great for protecting fragile items. Place delicate souvenirs or jewelry inside your shoes. The sturdy exterior provides an extra layer of protection. And it's a clever way to keep valuables hidden from potential thieves. So next time you pack, don't just throw your shoes in last. Use them to your advantage. You'll save space and keep your suitcase organized. Chapter 4. Layering for luxury. Dual-use clothes. Why pack more when you can pack smart? Layering your clothes is a brilliant way to save space and still have versatile outfits. Think about it. One shirt can be a base layer, a top, and even a sleep shirt. A report from the American Institute of Packing found that travelers who layered clothes could cut down their luggage weight by 15%. Start with lightweight, breathable fabrics. These are great for layering without adding bulk. A thin long-sleeve shirt can go under a t-shirt for a casual look or under a dress shirt for a more formal outfit. Versatility is key. Choose clothes that can be dressed up or down. A black cardigan can be a casual layer or part of a more dressed-up outfit. The Travel Book by Lonely Planet suggests picking neutral colors for maximum mix and match potential. Here's a neat trick. Pack a scarf or shawl. It can serve as a blanket on the plane, a beach cover-up, or an extra layer for chilly evenings. Multi-purpose items like this are golden for saving space. Layering also helps with climate control. Planes and destinations can have varying temperatures. With layers, you can easily add or remove clothes to stay comfortable. It's like having a mini wardrobe in your carry-on. Rolling your layered outfits together can save even more space. Place the base layer first, then roll with the outer layers. This keeps your outfits together and makes unpacking easier. Invest in packable jackets. These are lightweight, warm, and compressed down into small pouches. Perfect for unpredictable weather. According to Packing Light by Alison Westerfelt, packable jackets are a travel must-have. So, next time you pack, think layers. You'll be amazed at how much space you save while still having plenty of outfit options. Chapter 5. Accessory Alchemy. Turn small items into space savers. Your accessories can do more than just look good. They can be multifunctional, saving you both space and hassle. For example, a bandana can be a headband, a neck scarf, or even a makeshift towel. Accessories are the unsung heroes of smart packing. Think about belts. They're great for keeping your pants up, but they can also be used to secure rolled-up clothes or to add structure to your bag. The Ultimate Packing List by Travel Fashion Girl suggests using belts to keep your rolled clothes tight and tidy. Jewelry can be tricky to pack. Instead of bringing a bulky jewelry box, use a pill organizer to keep your jewelry sorted and tangle-free. It's a small, space-saving hack that keeps your accessories in order. Shoes can also double as storage for accessories. Slide your rolled-up belts, watches, or small items inside your shoes. This not only saves space but also protects your accessories. Sunglasses cases are perfect for storing chargers and cables. They're sturdy and prevent your electronics from getting tangled or damaged. Plus, it keeps everything in one place. Scarves are incredibly versatile. Use them as blankets, wraps, or even as makeshift bags. They can add a pop of color to your outfit and serve multiple purposes. According to The Practical Nomad by Edward Hasbrook, scarves are a travel essential. Don't forget about small pouches. They're great for organizing smaller items like toiletries, makeup, and tech accessories. Keeping everything in pouches makes packing and unpacking a breeze. So, next time you pack, think about how your accessories can do double duty. You'll save space and have everything you need within easy reach. Chapter 6. The Hidden Pockets Trick. Sneak in more. Hidden pockets are the ultimate space savers. They're perfect for sneaking in extra items and keeping your suitcase organized. Many travel clothes come with hidden pockets designed for this very purpose. Start by using the hidden pockets in your jackets and coats. These pockets are great for stashing small items like chargers, snacks, or even a travel wallet. It's like having a secret compartment in your clothing. Invest in travel gear with built-in pockets. Travel pants, vests, and jackets often come with multiple hidden pockets. These are perfect for keeping your valuables safe and accessible. According to The Savvy Traveler by Joel Weizer, hidden pockets are a must for any smart traveler. Shoes often have unused space inside. Utilize this space by tucking in socks, underwear, or other small items. This not only saves space but also helps maintain the shape of your shoes. Use the pockets of your bag strategically. Many travel bags have hidden pockets or compartments that are easy to overlook. Use these spaces for items you want to keep separate or easily accessible. Hidden pockets are also great for security. Keep your passport, money, and other valuables in hidden pockets to reduce the risk of theft. It's a simple but effective way to protect your belongings. Even your carry-on bag can have hidden pockets. Use these to keep your essentials organized and easy to find. It makes going through security checks faster and less stressful. Chapter 7. Digital Overload. Minimize your tech. Cutting down on tech clutter is a smart way to save space and weight. Start by evaluating what you truly need. Do you really need that laptop and tablet? Most travelers can get by with just one device. According to a study by TripAdvisor, 64% of travelers now prefer to carry fewer devices, opting for multi-purpose gadgets. Invest in a versatile device. A tablet with a detachable keyboard can serve as both a laptop and a reading device. This way, you reduce the number of gadgets without compromising on functionality. Traveling Light by Rick Steves emphasizes the importance of minimizing tech to streamline your travel experience. Chargers and cables can quickly become a tangled mess. Use a sunglasses case to keep them organized. Alternatively, a Ziploc bag or a small pouch works wonders. This keeps your bag tidy and your cables easy to find. Consider going wireless. Bluetooth headphones and speakers can reduce the number of cables you need to pack. Plus, they're more convenient to use on the go. A report from Statista shows that wireless device sales have surged, indicating a growing preference for cord-free travel. Download essential apps before your trip. Offline maps, translation apps, and travel guides can save space in your bag and your brain. They help you navigate new places without needing physical maps or books. Back up your important documents digitally. Store copies of your passport, tickets, and itinerary in cloud storage. This ensures you have access to your documents anywhere, anytime, without the extra paper. Chapter 8. Weight Distribution Wisdom. Balance your bag. Balancing your bag can prevent extra fees and make carrying it more comfortable. Start by placing the heaviest items at the bottom. This creates a stable base and keeps your bag from toppling over. Use compression packing cubes. These help distribute weight evenly and keep your items organized. A study by Consumer Reports found that travelers using packing cubes experienced less strain when carrying their bags. Keep frequently used items at the top. This makes them easy to access without unpacking everything. It's a tip endorsed by The Packing Book by Judith Guilford, which suggests keeping essentials within reach for quick access. Distribute weight evenly between your checked and carry-on bags. This not only helps with balance but also reduces the risk of overweight fees. According to airline regulations, distributing weight can save travelers up to $50 in extra fees. Shoes and heavier items should be placed towards the wheels in rolling bags. This ensures that the bag remains stable when upright. It's a small change that can make a big difference in how easy your bag is to maneuver. Use the outer pockets for lighter items like toiletries or small accessories. This helps keep the weight centered and prevents your bag from becoming lopsided. Chapter 9. The Carry-On King. One bag to rule them all. Mastering the art of the carry-on can save you time, money, and hassle. Start by choosing the right bag. Look for one that is lightweight, durable, and meets airline size requirements. A report from the International Air Transport Association found that 80% of travelers now prefer to travel with just a carry-on. Invest in a good quality, expandable carry-on. This allows you to adjust the size depending on your needs. How to Pack by Hitha Palepu suggests expandable bags for their versatility and convenience. Pack versatile clothing that can be mixed and matched. This reduces the number of items you need to bring. Stick to a color scheme to ensure all your clothes coordinate well. It's a tip often mentioned in travel blogs and packing guides. Use every inch of your carry-on. Fill the gaps with small items like socks, underwear, and accessories. This maximizes your space and keeps your bag organized. Liquids and toiletries should be packed in a clear, resealable bag. This makes security checks faster and prevents spills. According to TSA guidelines, following the 311 rule for liquids can save you time and stress at the airport. Keep your valuables and important documents in an easily accessible pocket. This ensures you can quickly retrieve them when needed. It's a strategy recommended by frequent travelers and travel experts alike.